What's going on, guys? It's Luke here. We ended up taking this one quick trade today. Got in and out of the market pretty quick to start off the week. Here are the executions right here. So pretty happy with this trade. Yeah, look great to get off the charts as fast as possible on a Monday. We do have news coming up at 10 as well. So I like, if you guys see the plan, I always talk about, I say I like to get in and out of my trades before 10 a.m. And if it's like 9:50 and we're chopping, then I would usually wait for 10 a.m. news to play out. And thankfully we're off pretty quick today. So coming into the day today, I was leaning like higher time frame. I was bullish. We look at the higher time frame structure. We're still bullish. We've hit that new week opening gap. We have all this low resistance liquidity above. I wanted to see kind of get run. Either we wanted to manipulate lower and get continuations lower before we go higher. So I was definitely looking for potential shorts down to here. But obviously, if we got a manipulation lower, then I was willing to look for longs, even just to the short term, to these like 30-minute and 15-minute highs right here, which is what we ended up getting. So if you see market open right here, what are we doing? Pre-market, we're accumulating right here, right? And then market open, we start to, kind of break out, and then we manipulate down. You can see 930 leaves a top wick right here, and then we get this strong manipulation down. Now, at the same time as we get that manipulation down, we look at ES at the same time. Let me just go back really quick. Right here, you can see we get this manipulation. So we have this accumulation, manipulation. I'm looking to potentially catch a distribution up at least this 930 wick. We look at ES. ES has now came down. It swept out, I believe it was London, Asia low. Yeah, it swept out London low. It swept out Asia low. It ended up sweeping out these lows as well. So I was thinking, okay, ES swept the lows, NQ swept. I'm looking for some distribution back to the upside. You can see that ES has relative equal highs right here that it left from around 920. Generated buy side up here. I want to see price flush higher. ES is clearly displacing off the low. It's not showing any signs that it wants to, go back lower. So I'm looking for price to just continue higher at this point. So at this point, all I'm looking for is an inversion. There was a 2-minute, but I was willing to, jump in earlier if we got something because I was super confident in this draw. So we end up getting this 30-second right here. Again, the 2-minute would have been your highest time frame. You could have also waited for the 1-minute, but I just took the 30-second. Just because I was so confident in the draw. Again, we accumulate, we manipulate, we get this strong inversion. We look at ES. ES is displacing higher. We have these draws above as well. So I'm looking for a price to, continue higher at this point. At least to this 930 wick where I can go break even and then see if we can target higher. So I enter here. We do get a bit of drawdown on this trade. Right here on this pullback, and then price ends up flushing higher. I go break even right here as soon as we cross above 930 and close above it. I'm anticipating price to just rip at this point, and I just get out just before the highs. And as you can see, we are chopping now. We're probably going to wait for 10 a.m. news and then see from there. But yeah, that was it for me, guys. Again, coming into market open, we have this clear accumulation. I'm leaning a bit more bullish because of all the low resistance above. We get this manipulation down. ES comes down, sweeps out London, Asia, all of this. So I'm looking for potential bounce to the upside from here. ES starts to displace off the low and is starting to head towards those draws. So I'm looking for ES to kind of carry us higher. Going on to NQ, again, we take the 30-second inversion right here. Again, you could have waited, I think the 2-minute, no, you would have missed entry if you waited for the 2-minute. 1-minute, yeah, you would have missed it as well. So 30-second, they get a bit lucky on that. But again, conviction in the draw liquidity was basically, at least the short-term draw right here, I was super confident in us at least crossing that 930 high. So that's why I was willing to get in early. And then just took it to just around these highs right here. So total trade was about like 1.17 R or so. But anyway, that's it for me, guys. Let me know how your guys' trading went. Well, I'll probably upload this pretty early. So I don't know if you guys are out of your trades yet or if you guys took anything. But that's it for me. Let's have a good week. And I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.